connectedness. What do they mean by that? They mean Siemens equipment, non-Siemens equipment. They mean enterprise connectivity, histogram, databases, and cloud-to-cloud connectivity. Those are the kinds of things that we have in Mindsphere version 3. So very robust, connected level piece of security there. Second thing is, we have a very robust way to access the APIs so that you can build application solutions quickly. So today, being in the partner ecosystem, you probably know that there are categories of applications, some that maybe get built in 3 to 6 months, others that get built very fast and give tremendous value. And that ability to know and understand the customers is really important here. And so that's kind of the foundation of what we want to be able to offer is, if you need something quickly, you can do it quickly. If you need something to be a little bit more robust, we allow you to do that. We're going to give you industry solutions with advanced analytics. Well, what does that really mean? Well, at the end of the day, there's a base set of analytics that sit there in AWS, and you saw some analytics even in today's presentations. We go very deep, as you may know, in most of your customers, and we're doing typically the kind of work that require very creative, very unique solutions within that industry, within that domain. That's very important, and it's very important to all of us to know that that's the core of our offering. Now, I talked a little bit about digitalization and how it changes everything. This is our base, 30 million automation systems, 75 million contracted smart meters, 800K connected products. So that's the base that Siemens has. That's the opportunity in the partner ecosystem for you. So those are people that we're currently connected to, run their manufacturing plants, do the kinds of things that you're going to want to do. And in this diagram, I'll just mention smart cities, another category on the other side of the fence, where you're looking at cities that want us to control their shipping ports, their airports, their traffic management, and on and on. So again, it's a topic that Siemens gets invited to because of their global reach. Another type of very specific application is called digital twin. I mentioned digital twin because it's an example of a high order application. This is an application that allows you to utilize the fact that we collect data from a variety of sources because of the products that we deliver to the marketplace. So we can look at design data, we can look at simulation data, and we can look at operational data. And we can look at plant data. All those things are at our fingertips. Now you write an application that essentially builds the information around the digital twin, compare it to the operational environment, and you then can see anomalies that are occurring, and you can be very specific about what the next steps ought to be. That's very specific to us, and it's specific to Siemens and AWS and our ability to really collect from a variety of data sources and utilize what typically we have in a lot of your big customers. The key here, this is kind of a marketing architecture slide, but the key thing that you should know is that you can build your own applications. The important thing here is that your uniqueness, your ability to engage with the customer and provide digital services is completely yours. So that's why it's so important to get involved with the partner ecosystem, have the ability to build these kind of applications, and bring your uniqueness to a particular domain in a particular industry. And getting close to the end here, this is Siemens. It's a 170-year history. And what we do is we call out milestones that change the nature of Siemens. And I think the most important thing to understand is that over 170 years, there were these kinds of milestones And the milestone today is Mindsphere. And that's why Mindsphere on AWS is such an important piece. We invite you to be part of making history. I thank you, and the website that you can go to is siemens.mindsphere.io. Thank you.